Hi there! So today we're looking at our little mini Robyn octopus, and the technique I'm going to show you is for the bobbles on the tentacles. And the bobbles on the tentacles are same for the small octopus and also the larger octopus. So let me show you how to make these tentacles. At a point in the pattern where it says to make the bobble, this is how you do it. So the first instruction is to knit into the front and the back of the stitch twice. So let me show you how to do that. So you knit into the front, just like a normal knit stitch, but then instead of pulling this stitch off your needle, what we do is we go ahead and we knit into the back of the stitch as well, like that. Wrap our yarn round and find the new stitch, which is just there, and don't pull this off your needle at this point. Can you see there's the original stitch still on this side, because we're going to knit into the front and back again. So we knit into the front and then we knit into the back of the stitch, like so. And from that one stitch, we've now created 4 stitches. So there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, at this point, the instructions will tell you to turn your work. So you just literally turn your work. And then the next instruction is to purl 4 stitches. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to purl 1. And then we purl 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, next step is to turn your work. So let's go ahead and turn. Lots of turning back and forward. Then the next step is to knit 2 stitches together. So you just knit straight through 2 stitches, like so. We're then going to slip a stitch and knit the next stitch. So at this point, we've got 3 stitches left from the original one. And we're going to move back down to just having 1 stitch left. So now all we do is we take the second stitch, the one that we'd slipped, and we lift that over and off the end of the needle and drop it. And then we take the stitch where we had knitted 2 together and we lift that over and off the end of the needle. And that is actually your bobble created. But let me knit a couple of stitches, and once you've knitted a couple of stitches, you can see that the bobble becomes more pronounced. There you go, that's the little bobble. So let me show you once more. So at a point in the pattern where it says to make the bobble, we're going to knit into the front and the back of the stitch twice. So here we're going from 1 stitch up to 4. And then when you've completed that, the next step is to turn your work. And then we purl the next 4 stitches. Purl 1 and purl 2 and purl 3 and purl 4, and then we turn the work again. Okay, turn the work again, and then what we're going to do is the next step is to knit 2 stitches together. We then slip a stitch and we knit the next stitch, and then we take the slip stitch over the top and off the end. And then we take the one where we'd knitted the two together over the top and off the end, and that's your bobble stitch complete. So I hope that's really helpful. I really think these bobble stitches are just so cute and could be used for lots of different things. We use them, like I say, on our octopus, but I hope this technique has been really useful for you to learn. So if you've liked the video, please do give us a like down below and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And it's been great being here with you today. I hope you have just a lovely day. Thank you.